Hi, today I'm for the SAMSUNG Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then scroll all the way down to advanced features. After that, click the screenshots and screen recorder. Here tap the sound section and switch from media and microphone to media or just to now. By this way you will record only the multimedias. Here you will mute only the medias, and in media and microphone you can comment something and to use the media sounds. So also we got one more way how we can launch the screen record settings. Just first open notification panel, shortcuts, find here screen record icon and hold it for a while to launch the settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.